This Coldwell Banker Deborah Gandy property video is presented by Natalie Bedenbaugh. This beautiful 3-bedroom 2-bath home is ready for its new family. Large den with fireplace, eat-in kitchen with solid surface countertops, stainless steel appliances and lots of storage space. Enjoy the split level floor plan with huge owner's suite and great ensuite with double vanity. The fenced-in backyard is like a private oasis with a pool, large deck to enjoy the sunshine, and a cool perk for entertaining poolside is the large TV outback. This property will not last long. Contact your realtor and schedule a showing today. For more information, review the details below or contact Natalie Bedenbaugh at 843-861-1788.